Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, I just came in with a haul and it's not a big one, but I'll show you what I got. Okay, I did have to run into Michael's, so just want to show you. I know I have stuff all over my table because I was reading. So let me show you here what I got from Michael's. I thought these were so pretty. Okay, so these are, okay, that's all I got from there. Alright, these are their wood shapes, and this is a mermaid. Isn't she beautiful? Okay, and you get 5 in the pack, and these were 99 cents. So I grabbed 2 packs of these for a project. Then we go back to the Dollar Tree here, and okay, so I'm really excited we got these. So this is a 4-pack of these glass bowls. I used them for crafting. So you get 4 for $1. So I got one of those. And then in the crafters section, they brought back the craft chalkboard paint. So I needed one of these, so I grabbed one. And then these are new to our Dollar Tree. I know our Dollar Tree is so far behind everyone else's, but we have to work with what we have. So here, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. These were in the floral area, like planters, but I think I can do something else with them. And I really, really love the white and gold. I like the white and black, but I also really love these. So I got to think of something to do with these. So I just grabbed 2. I'm hoping they have them when I go back. Then we have this greenery right here. This is also new to our Dollar Tree, I know. I've been seeing people hauling these, but I was so excited when we got them. Hold on a second, this is stuck to the plastic. Okay. All right. Okay, so these are ferns. Yeah, that's a fern. Okay, and they're nice. They look pretty, I don't know, they look pretty real. They look pretty. So I got 1, 2, 3 of these. I probably should have grabbed more, but I wanted to use those in some floral arrangements. And then I saw these flowers here. Let me get these out of the bag. I should have got this out of the bag before I started. Okay, aren't these gorgeous? These are so gorgeous. And so these are gardenias. Okay, so I'm getting used to these. So I got 2 bunches of those. These are so beautiful. Okay, and then these are azalea. Okay, so I just got 2 of those, but those are really pretty. See, they go really well with that pink. These 2 shades of pink go beautiful together. And then I see these a lot, so I figured I'd grab 2. Let me get this out of the bag. Okay, one of the ones that I see a lot, okay, this one's called Foxtail. These are really pretty, so I thought for Mother's Day we can put these in an arrangement. I only got 1. I don't know, I may go back and get another. And these I see all the time. I think these are the cone flowers. Yeah, those are the cone flowers. You just gotta be careful because that center right there, that's paper. It's made of paper and it's a lot of fallout. So you might want to spray that with some hairspray. But look how beautiful they are though. So this is pretty much all I got. So I got these from Michael's, these mermaids. Then I got these 2 flower boxes, the chalkboard paint, and these bowls are really hard to come by. So grab that. I wasn't really going in there for anything specific, just to look around. And yeah, so I just grabbed some more florals, and I'm happy to see these 2 boxes. That were the only 2 in the white. And these laser cut mermaids. Yeah, I'm really excited to use those. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to hit that the subscription button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. Bye.